So today we are going to be making a
unicorn land.
unicorn drawing. And Jade and I are going to choose some colors to paint. This is the kit. It comes with so much stuff in it. And so it looks like we're going to make a little land inside of here. We're going to paint our ceramics and see how it turns out. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. All right, so
That
wait.
looks like a globe.
It kind of does, like, it actually looks like, you know, Sandy Cheeks, her helmet. Doesn't it look like Sandy Cheeks' helmet?
Mm-hmm.
You land critter!
You're a lame crazy.
You're a land critter. And I'm from Texas. And I'm Texas tough.
I'm
right, wait.
Sandy.
Let's pick our colors though, what we're gonna paint. So we are gonna have different colors, like let's pick some pretty colors. Some pretty colors. And which one are you gonna start out painting?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Wait, actually, let me
What?
start out with this one.
You gonna start out with that one? Okay. Since you got a unicorn, I'll take a unicorn.
And I'll take this one.
You want the castle, then I'll take the star. So these are gonna be my two. I got the unicorn and it looks like he's laying on a cloud, and I got the shooting star.
And then
Shooting star.
and I have the castle.
The castle? What's the castle?
Unicorn.
Alright, okay.
I'm sitting on the paint.
Okay, so look, so Jay, what we'll do is we'll just pick some colors, and then like I'll have one, you'll have one, but we can share, okay? We can share the colors.
Okay, I get 5 and you get 5.
Okay, let's just pick some. So we need yellow. This is a pretty yellow. Move these paints out the way. Oh, you know what? Grab that water that you just had, and then look, I'm gonna open up the new brushes.
Oh, we're gonna do the new brushes instead.
We're gonna use all of them. That way we don't have to mix the paints, like mix the brushes and stuff. So I'm gonna put the new ones in here too. So we have plenty of brushes. Alexa, what are the 7 colors of the rainbow in order?
From ConquerClub.com, the 7 colors of a rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Indigo.
So indigo would be blue. So she said red first, right?
Yeah.
Red, orange, yellow. What came up the yellow?
Blue.
Blue, violet, red, orange, yellow. Okay. But I only got 5 lines anyway, so it won't even matter. Ooh, see Jade, that this paint is really good.
See, it stays on.
It does.
I haven't even painted.
You better get painting.
Mm.
So this paint, I got this off of Amazon. I'll show you guys the boxes, but this is showing up really well. And you don't even need a lot. You should just use a little bit.
Now the water is blue, Mom.
It's okay. Okay, guys. Come on, Jay, let's show ours. We finished our paintings. This is my unicorn.
This is my castle.
That's our castle.
This is my unicorn. I know unicorns' skin is probably white, but I did it my way, and she's going to take the castle. Jump!
That's right, she did it her way. And your style is the best style. And here is my shooting star.
And on the back, she has the same thing: shooting star, shooting star.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna need some mushrooms, and we got a big jug of water.
You know what that's for?
No.
You gotta drink this whole cup in 5 seconds.
Oh, no way.
You ready to drink it? No, I'm playing. We'll drink that. But it is just water though. Hey, babe.
And we got some grass, some pony grass.
Okay, wait. Let me see what it says.
Some grass.
Okay, so this is dirt. So So the water is for you to pour in here with this dirt. This is gonna expand like 8 times bigger. This is gonna fill up with dirt. Just from these 2 circles, you see it's like 2 different circles. All right, Jade, so it says place the 2 inflated soil plates here, then add 800 milliliters of water. So that's the water that you need. I measured it out. So here, go ahead and open up your dirt.
Okay.
Open it up over here so it doesn't spill all over the place.
Oh.
I'm just playing. I was joking.
Look at this dirt.
Does it smell like dirt?
It smells like grass. Smell.
It does though.
It smells like grass. Oh.
That's why I said open it up over there. Okay, so you separated the plates. Okay, so let's show them what it looks like. You gotta put both of them in there.
Both.
Yeah. So, and it does smell like she said, like grass or whatever. So carefully pour it in. Good job.
Tell me when to stop.
Pour the whole thing in. You're gonna pour off slow. Okay.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah, so we gotta leave this sitting for like over an hour. So we'll like probably let this sit for like an hour and a half, and then we'll come back and see what it's doing, okay? So I wanna get this like, okay, submerge it under there for a second, Jay. Like hold it down, get it submerged in.
It feels like dirt.
Yeah, so we're gonna let this sit and we'll be back, okay?
We're gonna crunch it out.
Now guys, this dirt has been sitting for over an hour like the instructions said. So I'm gonna give you a close-up. I'm gonna just let them see the close-up. I'm gonna give them a close-up of what it looks like. Look at those big mounds of dirt that has expanded. Remember they were like the little tiny thin plates? And so now Jade is gonna do the honors to crumble it up. So give it, you gotta mix it all up, break it all up. Wow.
Ew, it feels so dirty.
Mix it up, you gotta squish it, it said. Give it a good squish. Like all of it. Keep mixing and don't spill it though, okay? We gotta keep it in the bowl.
It feels dirty.
It is, what do you think it is? It's dirt.
Dirt is dirty, but I didn't mean like this type of dirt.
You didn't know it was that kind of dirt. What?
Okay guys, we just
Okay.
finished spraying the dirt in. I'm gonna give you
It's been a
guys.
little crazy around here.
I'm gonna give you a show.
Alright, so I want you to take your dirt and like smooth it around.
Yeah, that's what I was doing, but I didn't. But it was time.
Okay. Can I help?
Yeah. You do this side, I'll do this side, and you can do the middle. Okay?
Okay.
You can do this, the middle, and this side, and I'll just do this side.
Okay. And so guys, I am making dinner. So I'm gonna be like in and out. Okay. So now we're gonna get
Or decoration?
yep, time for the decoration. So now we got some of these. Now these fly everywhere, so we gotta be really careful because you know these those little styrofoam balls and they get everywhere. There you go. So oh, I like that. So now you're gonna make your. That is such a good idea. I like how you did your own style with that. Pour that in too, babe. Hold on, let me open it up for you. No, it's good. You're doing good. Fill that all the way in. That looks good. This is gonna be so